Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you're all doing great. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. Before I continue, let me announce you that we have a last day of the sale running. It's going to end tomorrow for sure. So if you get this premium plan, that's a lifetime plan, and these plans where you pay monthly will be free for you. And you will also get my Money Markers AI trading bot that recently triggered a signal here on natural gas NEMIX, recently on silver, USD CHF recently, and couple of other pairs. So that is something you're going to get with this plan, and that is just one-time payment. And it's worth getting this plan rather than losing all the money in one single trade. It's totally up to you. If not, that's totally cool. Make sure you hit the like button for me. So you need to go to moneymarkers.uk, select the premium plan, and at the checkout, use this code, and you'll also get access to my Discord group. So let's continue with the analysis of NatGas first. Now, first let's start with NEMIX platform. Now, looking here on this platform, we are now in the level of major structure resistance. Now, there's a very important thing I want to mention here before I continue, which is if you look at a daily time frame, we are getting a solid bullish momentum candle coming into the zone. Means there is still a buying pressure, and buyers have still taken over, and sellers are still not able to take over from the zone, because I want to see some sort of rejection when the candle approaches these major zones. Now, previously the price fallen down from the same area. If you look here, the price nicely rejected from this area right here, rejection right here, and this time the price pushes up inside this zone. That is why I'm still expecting a price to come even inside the zone further, and then it can give us some sort of signal like bearish engulfers or double top. So we are still bullish, and we are still looking for bearish bullish trades, which is now we are getting a pullback entry bullish. Now that's a valid buy signal. If that closes a bullish engulfing pattern, I go long by entering a couple of pips below this candle. The better and strongest entry would be a pullback, some more pullback, and similar entry pattern. This is also valid, but a better and strongest entry will be some more pullback and same entry pattern. It's totally up to you if you are an aggressive trader for this one, not an aggressive trader to wait for some more pullback. Otherwise, I'm still expecting a further push up. There is no sell condition within the zone, talking about on 4-hour time frame. Once I see a solid double top or bearish engulfer, only then that will be my sell signal to go short. For now, I'm expecting a further push up, and we can see a continuation within this big and wide zone. Keep an eye here and expect a push up, and let's see how this plays, and keep looking for your sell conditions as well. Now remember, just one factor like bearish engulfer or double top is not enough for me to go short. I want to see a divergence overbought in the RSI, and combination of all of that, I'll be going for my short trades. Same goes with capital.com. We are still not inside the zone. Right here, I've already mentioned these zones in my last video. Feel free to mark these on your charts. And if you are looking here on MCX, we are now inside the zone right here. If you want to mark these on your charts, I've sent these zones to my members already in case you are wondering. So one more heads up, if that candle closes a big engulfing candle, I won't be taking this as a trade straight away. Instead, I'll wait for the price to come down, give us a pullback to go long, and 1 to 2 ATR will be my target. So we'll see how that goes. The zone above will be my selling area, but I want to see a good confirmation from the zone. Same goes with all the platform on Ovanda. That's not a valid entry, but I'm still looking for the price to go inside and form a bearish condition. We still have a good momentum candle on daily time frame. That is why I'm reluctant to go short. If you look on a weekly time frame, solid big momentum candles are forming, and that means we still have a strong buying pressure exist, and we still need to see a valid sell condition. So keep an eye. I'm still bullish for natural gas. Next up, we have gold. Gold has now broken out and made the new high, broken up the previous high exactly here. Now all I want to see a pullback and bullish engulfer to go long. Simply, I'll be looking for my buy trades. That is all I'll be looking at. But I'm expecting a solid pullback, looking at this overbought, and I'm expecting a correction from here. You can look for your condition on 1-hour time frame as well if there's a pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA to go long. So keep an eye. That is all I'm looking here for gold. As you can see, a little pattern has been formed here as well, and breakout will confirm the entry on 1-hour time frame. So keep an eye. Only buying gold. I'm expecting a price to push up and head to these levels right here, but not straight away, of course, with the pullbacks, and that is something I'm expecting. Now here on silver, similar as gold, I'm still bullish for silver. I'm expecting a pullback either to 50%, 382 retracement, and then I expect a push up. Aggressive traders like to enter with a limit order at 50% or 382 retracement level, and then they set the take profit at 1.618 retracement. So that is something for aggressive trader. Less aggressive entries, pullback and engulfing pattern to go long. Above 50 EMA or at this green zone that was already shown to you in my last video. Finally, I want to add crude oil. Crude oil is now above 50 and 20 EMA. No confirmation yet, but we are above 50 EMA means we are only looking to buy crude oil. Now, there is no confirmation, but if next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfer, that will be my buy signal and I'll be going long. So either that or break above this high and a pullback and then engulfing pattern to go long. So only looking for buying trade, but with valid entry condition. No conditions mean no entry. We can see a possible pullback and get a double bottom, and then the price can likely to push up if we have a dramatic fall to this zone. I've already mentioned these zones in my last video. Have these zones ready on your chart. So keep an eye, either a double bottom for buy or a bullish engulfer right here or above these are. Not selling as long as we are not broken below these lows. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.